In this video, you're going to learn how to make money watching videos for free in 2020. Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make money by just watching videos. Okay, so a lot of other YouTubers they make videos on how to make money watching videos, and what they do is they lead you on to go to user testing websites where you don't really just watch videos. You need to you need to do the website test. You need to do website testing and write down what you think, and surveys and things of that sort. Okay, but today the method I'm going to be showing you guys is much easier. There's no money needed. You can get paid faster, and there's free tools to help you out. Okay, so let's get started. So the method that we're going to do is we're gonna essentially create captions for YouTubers. Okay, so if you're a YouTuber, you're gonna need captions made for your video because it helps YouTube tell essentially tell if your video is what it's about and whatnot. Okay, so it's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm and whatnot, and it's also gonna help people who just want to use captions and they don't really understand what the person is saying in the video. So a lot of YouTubers are going to point you to rev.com, and this is a great website that you can use, and you can get paid. Well, they charge $1 per minute for captions and transcriptions. So what this means is they're going to offer you much less money, right? Because obviously the company has to make some money, and you're probably paying you cents per minute. So one way around this is what you guys can do is you could head over to this website called Fiverr.com, and what you do is you just sign up on Fiverr.com, and you just type in YouTube captions, and you'll see a lot of different people here. Okay, that they're charging $13. So this is in Canadian, so it's probably like $10 USD, and this guy's charging probably like $5 USD. So a lot of these people, they're getting orders. They're getting, they're actually making money. Yeah, so you're not gonna make $5 or $10 for this guy because Fiverr is taking a commission. So you're probably gonna make there's the fee is like $1 or $2. Okay, so you're gonna make $4 or $3 per minute if you come on here and charge with that price. Okay. So what you want to do, there's a great tool you can use. It's Google Docs, and what you do is you just come over here. By the way, it's free, and you don't really need to pay for Google Docs. Okay, I hope most of you guys probably know what this is. So you hit the button called Tools, and you type in voice typing, and then this will show up. And you just press this, and you could say whatever you want, and it'll write it down. See that? And it's pretty accurate too. So you just press that again, it will stop. Okay, so what you do is you just watch the YouTube video, and you hear what they're saying, and then you just say what they're saying. It's simple as that. Or what you guys can do is you could actually bring your if you got a speaker. If you don't use headphones, you could just bring your speaker closer to your mic, and maybe try putting your mic next to it and then letting the video play. But that won't obviously be as accurate as doing this. This is pretty accurate. And then another option I have for you guys is Temi.com. So this is speech-to-text transcription as well. So the first video is for free. So if you have a super long video, you could just give it to them, and they'll just do it for you for free. Or you could pay them after that, but you always have this. I would recommend using Google Docs because it's super simple, super easy. This method doesn't really require any money, or there's not a lot of skill involved in this. And if you understand other languages, you could also do this with other languages. Yeah, there you go. Look, there's so many different languages that you could do this with. So if you don't know how to write them or read them, well, I suppose you will need to know how to read them, because, or how else would you know if it's accurate or not? But again, if you know how to speak another language, boom, there you go. These guys are offering $3 to $7 per minute for foreign subtitles. Okay, so you could probably get way more on Fiverr.com if you know how to do this. Okay, this is a great way to make a little bit of money on the side, and not a lot of skill involved. I hope you guys like this method, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.